दोस्तों आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं कार्बोहाइड्रेट चैप्टर का कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे। आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे चैनल बी ब्लॉग कार्तिक बी ब्लॉग में। पहला ग्लूकोज एंड फ्रक्टोज। ग्लूकोज प्लस इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ OH नेगेटिव हार्मोनोज प्लस फ्रक्टोज डाइवर रिएक्शन इन लो प्रोटीन वन density in rearrangement. Mutar rotation is shown by which one of the following? Answer number 2. Maltose, because change in equilibrium between two anomers in the corresponding stereo centers interconvert cyclic sugar, so mutar rotation age and aromatic form interconvert. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? D. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is called retinol, not carbamide. Vitamin D, bone formation action. Vitamin K, blood clotting. Vitamin E, antioxidant. Fourth number question. Glucose is converted into ethanol. It occurs in the presence of which of the following enzyme? Gymase. The reaction is completed in 20 to 22 hours. Fifth, which one of the following sugars is the sweetest? Fructose. Whereas in the sucrose is found in combination with glucose, natural fructose is left with the polarizing in laboratory partnership. This is also called fructose or labor. Which are the following is known as table sugar? Sucrose. Beta D plus glucopyranose is example of hemiacetal. In which 6-member chain consists of 6 members in a cyclic in which 5 carbon atom and 1 oxygen atom. Question number 8. The reagent used to distinguish between glucose and sucrose is failing solution. It is disaccharide which is composed of glucose and fructose. Which answer question 9. Which are the following is not related with the bonding of oxygen and hemoglobin? Synergic effect. Because Hill constant Bohr effect and cooperation, the effect is related to the addition of oxygen to hemoglobin. Question number 10. Glucose and fructose form identical oxygens because their configuration differ only at C1 and C2. Which on hydrolysis is give strictly same oxygens. Question number 11. In the reaction, glucose pH NH form oxygen in the presence of HCl form X. In the presence of ZnACOH form A. The product A is fructose. Which are the following does not form oxygen? Sucrose. Sucrose can be hydrolyzed and separated into its substituent molecule. The mechanism of oxygen formation is based on amidoric rearrangement. It does not beyond C2. Question number 14. Glucose and fructose form the same oxygen when treated with phenylhydrazine because both have identical structures except on carbon first and second configuration. After hydrolysis, hence gives structurally same oxygen. What is the approximate equilibrium concentration of the open chain form of D-glucose in an aqueous solution? 0.02. Glucose is classified as an aldose and aldohexose. In the open chain, when the glucose molecule has an open unbranched backbone of 6 carbon atoms. Question number 17. Glucose and fructose form identical oxygens because aldehydes and ketones react with phenylhydrazine in similar manner. When both of them react and with 3 molecules of phenylhydrazine, the formation of oxygen crystals make the difference between the carbon atom in their chain and hence they form the same oxygen. Question number 18. How many moles of periodic acid are needed for complete cleavage of 1 mole of glucose into formaldehyde and formic acid? 5. On heating, glucose with failing solution is precipitate is obtained whose color is red. Red precipitate of cuprous oxide and gluconic acid. 20 question. Alpha D glucose and beta D glucose are anomers. Anomers carbon being the functional group of carbohydrate which is usually the carboxyl group attached to it. 21. Reduction products of glucose is sorbitol is known as glucitol. Glucitol is a sugar alcohol with a sweet taste which the human body metabolizes slowly. Which of the following statements is correct? Hydrolysis of sucrose is termed as inversion. Because at the angle of specific rotation of the plane polarized changes from the positive to negative value from dextrose to levo due to the presence of optical isomers of the mixture of glucose and the fructose sugars and produce in name as inverse sugar. Take 23. Which one of the following statement is false about alpha D glucose? It is pure form of sugar, cane sugar. 24. Which are the following compounds reduces tolerance region? Glucose. Tolerance is due to presence of aldehyde group. Tolerance region of silver ammonia complex. It is oxidized. Question number 25. Which one of the following carbohydrates is used in silvering a mirror? Glucose. Due to the presence of an aldehyde group. Tolerance region is silver ammonia complex. And it mild acidity and oxidative aldehyde group to carboxylate ion. Question number 26. Sucrose itself is a non-reducing sugar. It is due to the linkage of both the anomeric carbon atoms in an acetal bond. धन्यवाद दोस्तों। अगर आपको चैनल अच्छा लगा तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। धन्यवाद दोस्तों।